Hi guys, welcome to Triple M channel. You can call me MANMADE as well. And thank you for clicking in and tuning in today's video. We are inside Dubai Mall and I came across this most tourist attraction place. And you can see people from a distance taking photos, others taking videos of this place. It is a man-made waterfall inside Dubai Mall. Whenever you come across this place, you feel so much relaxed, and also it's a so calming place. You feel your mind is so much relaxed. It attracts a lot of people who visit Dubai Mall. As you can see, others are in third floor, fourth floor taking videos, and don't miss it wherever you visit Dubai Mall. Leave a sweet comment under this video and enjoy the rest of the video with the background music. It is a short and quick one. Bye bye.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down.